Big hand for Anisa. Big hand for Anisa. Yeah.
Sir, I am fond of speaking English,
Yes.
and whenever I speak English, and I feel fear, and I forget that what I say.
Yes, if you want to speak English fluently and confidently, you have to work upon
Right.
that. You have to speak continuously. You have to speak regularly. And if you speak regularly, you will be able to speak those all words, those all sentences, and you will be able to speak English. And you are trying to speak English
And
every day.
now I am also trying to speak English and make it perfect
Yes.
every day by day.
Yeah, and you are just enhancing so many vocabulary. What do you want to?
is not hard.
Yes.
English, if you want to speak, you have to work upon it.
Yes.
And when you start working on it, you make it better and fluent in that particular thing.
We will understand a particular activity, and that activity name is think and speak. What is that? Think and speak. It means that you have to think something in English and you have to speak that. What I'm saying, you have to think in English and you have to speak that. Whatever is coming in your mind, जो कुछ भी आपके दिमाग में आ रहा है, you have to speak in English. Like the way I'm doing right now. I was there and suddenly my friend came to me and he was talking about this and that matter, but I ignored the time. Understood that, everybody? So this is the way. You have to think in English and you have to speak in English. I hope you got that, everybody. Yes or no? Yes. All right. Now, first, I would like to start from the person who will speak first that particular sentence. I don't have any idea who will speak that. Okay, Nazia is there. Nazia, just think and speak.
Last night I craved for chocolate. My sister gave me that chocolate to
Yeah.
eat.
To eat. All right. Last night your sister gave you, and can you please tell me what is the chocolate? No, chocolate name.
Chocolate dairy milk.
Dairy milk. All right. The next person who will speak, I don't have any idea. Who will speak? Yeah. Surjit. Surjit is going to speak. Yeah.
Sir, English is a very tough
Yes.
language.
Uh-huh.
Then also, some people are want to learn English
Uh-huh.
because English is a very useful.
Yes. Perfect.
For English is a very useful language.
Uh-huh.
We can anywhere use English language.
Yes, perfect. The next person who is going to speak, think and speak. Think and speak. Just if you want to speak, just hands up and speak that. Who will speak that? Next person. Yeah. Roshni is going to speak.
Yesterday I played hide and seek with my brother and sister.
All right. And you won the match. Exactly.
Yes.
Right. Next. Yeah. Speak that.
Actually, sir, how to speak in front of camera?
Yes.
Because I feel that fear.
Okay. Next person who will speak. Think and speak. Just think in English and speak English. Whatever is coming in your mind, just speak that. Yes, Prince. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Yesterday I night play PUBG.
Yes.
And all my friends appreciate me.
Yes. Your friends appreciated you last night. Exactly.
Yes.
Okay. The next person who is going to speak. Think it. Yeah. Speak that.
Yesterday I play Antapchari with my sister.
Yes.
Till 12 o'clock.
Okay. All right. And
And I will win that match.
you won the match. All right. Next person who is going to speak. Yeah. Surjit, once again you are going to
Sir,
speak
you
that.
want to learn English.
Yes.
So you will.
Once again, next person. I think that you are absolutely frustrated right now. Next person who is going to speak. Yeah, Ankit is there.
So yesterday at night I feel water in my field.
Yeah.
By Tibul and
By Tibul. All right. Yeah, it is available in our village, right?
and I'll today also at night I feel in water
In
my-
water or water only. You water. Next person who is going to speak that. Yeah, Nazia. Once again you are going to speak that.
Today I woke up at 4:33.
Yes.
And I recite Quran for 1.5
You
hours.
recited.
Quran for 1.5 hours.
Yes. And then you
Then
felt
I just-
peace for some time. Right.
Yes.
Next. Yeah. Surjit is going to speak.
You want to learn English,
Yeah.
so you will have to do hard work in our life.
Yes.
So you will able to speak English.
Yes, if you want to speak English fluently and confidently, you have to work upon
Right.
that. You have to speak continuously. You have to speak regularly. And if you speak regularly, you will be able to speak those all words, those all sentences, and you will be able to speak English. Right? Next person. Yes, Roshan is going to speak
One
that.
day we will love remembering this time, how
Yes.
to learn English and how to enjoy.
Yeah. And you will remember these all moments, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
you will feel, yeah, this is the process. This is the way to learn English. Exactly. The next person who is going to speak that. From the girl side or from the boy side? Yeah, Anisha is there and she is going to speak. Big hand for Anisha. Big hand for Anisha. Yeah.
Sir, I am fond of speaking English,
Yes.
and whenever I speak English, and I feel fear, and I forget that what I say
In front of audience. All right, all right.
And I do practice how to speak English fluently.
Yes, how to speak English fluently. Yes, you are absolutely right. This, I mean, learning English is the process. Learning English by learning so many words, by learning so many sentences, you will be able to speak. Like if I talk about, my, old days, I used to speak. I used to practice with my all friends, and they used to speak with me. They used to speak in front of me, in front of audience, in front of people, and learning English is absolutely easy. All you have to do one thing, and that is practice, practice and practice. The next person who is going to speak that, kaun bolega next person? Because you have power to speak that, you have capacity to speak that, you have ability to speak that. Who is going to speak? Next person. I don't know. Okay, once again Nazia is going to speak that. What do you want to?
is not hard.
Yes.
English, if you want to speak, you have to work upon it.
Yes.
And when you start working on it, you make it better and fluent in that particular thing.
Yes, perfect, perfect. Next person. Next person. From the girl side or from the boy side, who's going to speak that? Sujit, are you ready to speak that? Think and speak. Just think in English and speak in English. Don't think about the Hindi, words. Don't think about all the words, which type of sentences are coming in your mind. Just think in English and speak in English. Yeah, speak that.
Sir, English is easy language.
Yes.
Because English is a journey language where we can go anywhere.
Yes.
So you learn speaking, you learn English.
Yes.
And you learn new words.
Yes, very good.
And
Yeah, next. That's it. Whatever is coming in your mind, just speak that. Speak those all the sentences. Speak those all the words. Whatever is in your mind, just speak that. Yeah, Roshan, speak that.
If I talk about my past time,
Yeah.
so that time I was fear to speak English.
Yeah,
But this time I am not fear to speak English.
yeah. Once you have no fear to speak. You are in the process. You are just understanding the way of learning English. Exactly. The next person who's going to say, yeah, Roshan is there. Speak that.
I want to say all people
Yes.
that every people ought to serve her parents
Yes.
because they are moral duty.
Yes, it is their moral duty. You have to understand your parents' problem. If they are older and if they are not able to do some work, you ought to serve them. Exactly. You are absolutely right, Rosni. The next person who is going to speak, I don't have any idea about that. Next person who is going to speak, because you are here to speak. Think and speak. Yeah.
Actually, some time ago,
Yeah.
when was I coming to Rashana?
Yes.
So I saw two boys are sit on the railway line.
Yes.
And one bus are weaving.
Yeah.
And I asked, and I go
I went near them.
I went near them.
Yes.
And I asked, okay, what happened, bro?
Yeah.
So he replied.
He replied, yes.
He replied.
What did he reply?
That my heart broke.
My heart, my heart is broken. Right? Exactly. Your heart is broken, or your heart is there?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is there. Yeah, next person who's going to speak that. Next person. You have different situation, you have different sentence, you have different words. Whatever is coming in your mind, just speak that. Speak.
Yes.
Speak that. Speak.
sir, first time I was speaking English, so
Yeah.
sir, I am fearing. So, but sir, this time
Mhm.
I am speaking English.
Yeah.
I'm happy because sir, I am learn many things, many verbs,
Yes.
sentence, and many sentences.
Yeah, and you
That's
understood
why-
each and every topic,
that's
and right
why
now you are in the habit of speaking English. Exactly. The
That's-
next person who is going to speak that. Yeah, Prince is there. Yes, with that.
First time I'm coming in class.
Yeah.
Then I look sir and student.
Yeah.
I very fair.
Yeah.
All student very intelligent.
Yes.
But I'm not.
I was not intelligent on that time.
Intelligent.
But right next, yeah, Nazia. Once again, you are ready.
Before some time, I was not able to speak English, But when I join spoken classes
Yeah.
in Rasra,
Yeah.
and I now I am speak English very well,
Yeah.
and fluently also.
Yeah. And
And
you are
you-
trying to speak English
And
every
now
day.
I am also trying to speak English and make it perfect
Yes.
every day by day.
Yeah, and you are just enhancing so many vocabularies, you are enhancing so many sentences,
Sentences and
you are
words.
enhancing the way how to speak in front of the people, right? Next, who is there? Rosan, are you ready? Who is going to speak that?